What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is August the 7th. We're on our first and only job of the day. Shout out to my guys Christian. They just left, moved the furniture for my clients. And what we're going to be doing here today is a screen recoat, color correction, and UV cure. Also had a client that I went out and gave him a consult like 2 months ago because he was getting some work done in his house. He just called this morning to get on the schedule. He got my Wednesday slot. So right now I have one more slot available for next week. So let me show you guys what we got going today. This is about 689 square feet. It's gonna be a good one. Let me flip this around and show you. All right, guys, so we're in Brazelton, Georgia. Got some chickens. All right, so these are the floors we're gonna be doing. Tavares is gonna bring a lamp in and get us some more light in this room. So what we got, guys, is just really a typical floor you see in a lot of our videos, just worn. A lot of the color is missing, so we're gonna do a color correction, get some color back into these floors. Coming through here, the only thing the guys did not move is the piano. They do not move pianos because of the weight of them. I've had one client in 13 years that moved the piano, but he paid a whole separate company to move the piano. But back to the floors, this room right here, you can see there's a lot of missing color. This is just dried up wax. My client just asked about that. We'll just be able to scrape that off. Now we do have a water stain or a pet stain here that's not probably going to come out. But sometimes you'll be surprised, but my clients do know this is not a full sanding. And also with these floors as well, guys, these floors are actually, are these engineered or solid? Yeah, these are engineered floors. So I don't even know if these floors can either take us. They might can take one sanding, but some guys, because it's a risk when you're sanding an engineered floor that you don't go through the veneer. Some guys won't touch it, but all through here, we got some kitty cats. Make sure we don't open up the door. Through here, here, and here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started.
Yeah. Truman. One day. Let's go. Truman, how you do that in one day?
Do your thing on that floor.
Do your thing on that floor. Truman, how you do that? You're number one. Bringing wood flows back to life. Do your thing on that floor. One day. No full sand in the day. Screen and recoat, UV cure on the way. Customer looking like, man, that flow done. Other companies talking about sand it all, son. Truman walked in, said, hold up, let me see. Color correction, now that wood looking clean. Scratch marks fading, that shine coming through. UV curing back on the floor like new. No weeks of waiting, no long delay. Walk on it tonight, we getting done today.
How you do that in one day? Do your thing on that floor.
Do your thing on that floor. Truman,
How you do that?
you number one. Bringing wood floors back to life.
Do your thing on that floor.
One day.
One day.
No full sand in the day. Screen and recoat, UV cure. Screen it, coat it, UV, let's go. Color correction, watch that hardwood glow. And everybody looking,
How'd you do that, bro?
Truman did his thing.
Now that flow stole the show. One day, one shine. One team. One time. How you do that in one day? Do your thing on that floor. Do your thing on that floor. Truman. You number one.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, man. Sometimes I surprise myself because, again, we're dealing with wood floors. Wood floors are natural species. Sometimes you just don't know how it's going to take. But, guys, I must say, and I even told my clients this is probably one of my best transformations. It's not perfect. I do guarantee a 50 to an 80% improvement. This is definitely top 80%. You see you got that water stain right there, okay? Little stains right here. But, man, these floors came out so good, as you can see. The movers just got here, perfect timing. And my client, Mr. Randy, and his wife, Ms. Morris, They could not believe how good these floors came out. Again, this is an engineered floor. This floor cannot be sanded. The only option they would have had without learning about this, and they actually found me from a video. There's Ms. Moore. Ms. Moore, I ain't gonna put you on camera, but I just want to get your voice. Did I exceed your expectations?
Absolutely exceeded our expectations. This is like a brand new floor. Never knew that he could bring it back like this, but we had faith.
We had faith, yeah, and they watched plenty of my videos, and they even said, Courtney, this actually came out better than what we saw in the videos. And I must say, guys, I'm so proud of this job because you guys saw how it looked before, and just my special techniques, and this floor looks amazing. So the movers just got back. They're about to start putting the furniture back. Miss Morris says she don't even think she's gonna put the rug back because they had so many rugs down trying to hide things. But this floor came out amazing. Now I will say that, guys, you heard my client, she said brand new, the husband said brand new. I don't like to use the term brand new because, again, I am a professional. So there are certain things that I see, and there are certain things that my expectation that the clients, I mean, you'd be surprised, stuff like this. People have a water stain. They say, oh, Courtney, don't worry about it. We'll just cover it up. But you have a company come in and say, oh, you got to replace the floors or you got to sand the floors. A lot of things that us as professionals care about, most customers, some customers are homeowners, they don't care about. They just want to make the floors look better. And that is the huge benefit of our one-day Recoat system. All right. There's Christian and his partner right there. They're about to start putting the furniture back. What you think, Christian?
Looking good.
Looking good?
That's the usual.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We are done. We have a pretty nice schedule next week. Monday, Tuesday, I had a consultation that came through today for Wednesday, and then Friday. So I got maybe 1 or 2 slots open for next week. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.